2017 Chevrolet Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, front floor mats, cruise control, ABS 4-wheel, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, auto off headlights, front wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, passenger airbag, power windows, MP3 player, side head airbag, bucket seats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.